how to play Twitter or X videos in background on iPhone. So if you want to play X or Twitter videos in your background on iPhone, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your X or Twitter application. Let me tell you one thing that there is no option to play your Twitter videos on your background, but what you need to do is open up your app store and search for an application which is X app. After you search for the X.app, you will get this kind of interface. You just need to simply go and select, install this application. After installing the application, you will be able to watch your videos in background. So once you've installed the application, you need to go back, open up your X. After that, go and select the video that you would like to play. After selecting your video, go with the three dots which will be in the right side, and then tap on share via. And now scroll down a bit and you will find the option of video picture in picture. Tap on it and that's it. In this way, you'll be able to play X Twitter videos in your background on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.